Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer funds from crypto, calm to your bank account. We will cover everything from preparing your account to understanding withdrawal limits and potential fees. This guide aims to make the process clear and straightforward, helping you confidently manage your digital assets. Let's get started with the first essential step. Before initiating any transfer, you must prepare your crypto, calm account. First, ensure your fiat wallet is active and configured for your local currency, like US dollars or euros. Next, link your bank account by making a small deposit from it. This verifies your account for withdrawals. Finally, convert any cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw into fiat currency within the app. Once your account is ready, open the Crypto Calm app and go to Accounts, then Fiat Wallet. Tap Transfer, then Withdraw, and select your fiat currency such as US dollars. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, keeping minimums in mind like 100 US dollars for ACH transfers. Review all details carefully, then confirm the withdrawal to your linked bank account. When withdrawing, remember that some methods like SWIFT transfers may incur a fee of 45 US dollars, while ACH transfers often have no crypto COM fee. There are also limits, such as a daily maximum of 100,000 US dollars. Most bank transfers typically process within 3 to 5 business days. Always double-check these details in the app for the most current information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.